Good morning, friends. Jen here, single mom, artist, and entrepreneur, and this channel is all about building a life that you love. I missed last week's video because I'm a slacker. Today is a studio day. It is work day. We are going to work on this giant piece that's sitting in front of me that you can't see right now, and it is a custom order, and I really need to have it done in another week or so. So today we are gangbusters working on this piece. Now, my studio around me is in utter chaos. It's just a complete wreck. But we're not going to talk about it today. Okay, we're not going to talk about it. It's a disaster. It is what it is, and that's just life. We're not going to talk about it. Anyway, we are going to drink some more coffee and get to work on this massive piece. Let me show it to you. Okay, so this end is almost done. I have one piece I need to recut, two other pieces that are cut and that are ready to be ground and foiled. So we're gonna grind those, foil those, put those into place, cut that other piece, and then I'm gonna solder just this end so that these pieces will stay fit together the way that I need them to, and then we're going to move down the line of this piece. So that is the plan. I do have a lot of the clear pieces cut and foiled. None of the letters are cut out yet because my black glass that I ordered for specifically this part of the project literally just came in days ago. It came in 2 weeks late because the United States Post Office is a train wreck right now, in case you haven't noticed. So, yeah, that is the plan for today. So let's get to work. All right, I went ahead and foiled those last two pieces. So now I'm just going to go in and tack all of this together so that these pieces aren't going to move, and I can get rid of these pins, and because I'm going to need them going this way on the piece. So that's all we're going to do. I'm going to let my soldering iron warm up. Let's see, I need solder. I need flux. I need a brush for the flux. So yeah, we're just gonna do some tacking, just so that these pieces are all gonna hold together in exactly the fashion that they are, and we'll be able to continue on. I'm holding this at an awkward angle because my cord is on that side. Let me get this out of the way. But yeah, just gonna tack these pieces, so. So it's very clearly a different day than when I started working on this vlog. In fact, it's been probably 6 days at least. I worked for almost 10 straight hours the first day and only filmed a portion of that because, well, that's a lot of filming. And it was very repetitive, and I am positive you would have gotten bored. I've also got about 4 other days of pieces and parts of working on this project. So I am exhausted. This project is taking far more hours than I estimated when I originally took it on. So that just is what it is, right? But it is almost complete, and hopefully I will show you the completed piece very, very soon. Hopefully in the next vlog. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.